A professional roof maintenance program is essential for keeping your roof in top condition and preventing costly repairs. But what should be included in such a program? Let's break down the key components. First and foremost, regular roof inspections are a must. These inspections should happen at least twice a year in the spring and fall to catch any potential issues before they become serious problems. During these inspections, a professional roofer will check everything from shingles and flashing to gutters and vents. Speaking of gutters, a comprehensive maintenance program should include regular gutter cleaning and maintenance. Gutters play a crucial role in protecting your roof from water damage, so keeping them clear of debris is vital. Shingle and flashing repairs are another important part of roof maintenance. Damaged or missing shingles and faulty flashing can lead to leaks, so they should be repaired or replaced as needed. Roof cleaning is also essential. Removing moss, algae, and other debris not only improves the appearance of your roof, but also helps prevent moisture-related damage. Don't forget about ventilation. Proper roof ventilation is key to preventing issues like ice dams in winter and heat buildup in summer, so it should be inspected regularly. Sealants and caulking around roof penetrations should also be checked and replaced as needed to maintain a watertight seal. Finally, a good maintenance program should include emergency repair services, detailed maintenance reports, and regular communication with your roofing professional. By ensuring all these elements are part of your roof maintenance program, you can protect your home and extend the life of your roof. For more information on what should be included in a professional roof maintenance program, visit our roof maintenance program page and see how RoofWorks can help you keep your roof in top shape.